And what if the universe isn't out there at all, but thinking through you right now? For as long as we've been human, we looked into the night sky and seen the past. Light from stars that may have died millions of years ago. Silent, beautiful, a cosmic clockwork. But a new wave of scientific thought suggests we might be looking at it all wrong. Maybe we're not staring at the ghost of dead stars. Maybe we're watching the living architecture of a mind. Why do we experience anything? Physics can describe neurons, chemistry, energy, but not why it feels like something to be you. Why is there light inside? What if consciousness isn't a fluke that happens inside a brain, but a fundamental property of the universe itself? For centuries, we thought the universe was made of stuff. But physicist John Archibald Wheeler, who gave us the words black hole and wormhole, ended his career saying it from bit. At the smallest scales, reality isn't solid. It is information. Particles are clouds of probability waiting for attention to choose a form. Every event in the cosmos is an act of information processing. If reality is built on information, it already holds the raw material for thought. In 2020, a neuroscientist and an astrophysicist compared the human brain and the cosmic web. 86 billion neurons here, hundreds of billions of galaxies there. Different forces, same pattern. Mathematically, the universe clusters like a brain. Filaments of dark matter connect galaxies as axons connect neurons. Both obey the same law of network complexity. Neuroscientist Giulio Tononi's integrated information theory suggests consciousness arises wherever information integrates into a unified whole. And if that's true, and the cosmic web is the most complex integrated network we know, then the universe doesn't contain minds. Maybe the universe is one. Quantum mechanics adds another clue. In the double-slit experiment, an electron behaves like a wave until it is observed. Observation collapses possibility into reality. And John Wheeler went further. Imagined a participatory universe, a feedback loop where observers not only witness reality, but help creating it. When we look out into space, we may be finalizing the script of the cosmos itself. Through us, the universe observes its own past and brings it into being. You are not the spectator. You are a participant in the act of creation. And now, let's connect the clues. Reality is made of information. The universe's structure mirrors a brain, and the observer makes potential real. If those are all truth, then your consciousness is not an accident. It is an echo, a localized flicker of the universe's own awareness. You are a wave that briefly remembers being the ocean. Your thoughts are miniature quantum pulses through which the cosmos updates itself. We already know our atoms were forged in the stars, but perhaps our awareness were forged in the same fire, the universal field learning to know itself. Most scientists would call this poetic speculation, and they might be right. But the questions remain. Why is there experience at all? Why does the universe create minds that can look back at it? Maybe every consciousness is a neuron in the cosmic brain, and every act of wonder a synapse firing across the light years. So, the next time you look at the night sky, don't just see distant lights. See the slow, deliberate thinking of a vast intelligence, and know that the awareness gazing upward is part of the awareness looking down. Stay inside the pulse, where science meets the mystery of consciousness. Subscribe, share the signal, and tell me, when you look at the night sky, do you feel it looking back at you?